Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do a general card reading to see how your day is today. So first let's take these two set of cards. Okay, now that's a beautiful cards. The six of swords and the strength card. Somewhere it shows that all your problems will get resolved and you will come out of your issues, but you just need to be strong and you need to hang on over there. Sometimes we know that certain decisions have to be taken for us to come out of our issues, but we still hang on there. We still think that what will happen, how will the person react, should I do it or not. So don't think all that, just go with the flow and just understand one thing, that the time has come for you to come out of your issues, and that is the reason that the universe is telling you that stay strong and face it. If it is that you have to face it and you need to take certain decisions which maybe right now may hurt you, but in the future it is good for you and for the person of whom you are keeping this thought process in mind and working. So just go with the flow. Overall, I feel you're going to be a very strong person and your day is going to be good. All your issues related to work or personal life is going to come out, but I still want to take out a card and see what it is saying. Messenger of the water. So again, if you see here, I see this lady very calm and spending time or handling her pet. So I feel just go with the flow. Things are going to be smooth and things are going to be in your favor, and you will find yourself happy that you took the right decisions or you did the right thing. Today I would suggest wear something in orange, and today if possible have a bath with a little bit of water which is soaked in rose quartz and clear quartz tumbles. And also today, if you can, in the morning take a lamp and in that add one cardamom and one long, and add gingerly oil and not ghee, add gingerly oil and burn. And when you are going to burn it, the tip of the wick, you have to apply little kumkum and you should burn that diya. And after burning the diya, you can put on the Durga Chalisa, and here the Durga Chalisa saying that you are strong enough and you are ready to face whatever is coming in store for you today. We will also see whether all this is going to be good. Now yes, that I see that some hidden things will come out, but again it is hidden and you know how to handle it. So I seriously feel just chant the Durga Chalisa or play the Durga Chalisa in the morning, burn the lamp, wear the orange color dress and take your bath and just go with the flow, because somehow I have a very strong feel that though there are things which you will have to force yourself into doing, but they are going to give you a good decision and they are going to see to it that you are happy at the end of the day that you took that decision. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.